Mark, and I took the program in May of 2015. I spent 30 years in the information technology business, and I owned three companies prior to starting with Global, all in the high tech arena. Average transaction size in the beginning was probably between 250,000 and $500,000. And my loan types were still the same today: SBA lending, factoring or invoice finance, credit cards or unsecured lines of credit, term loans, and merchant cash advances. Those today still ring true, but they're much larger today than they were back 6 years ago. My first transaction was a dentist, which was an SBA. It was a SBA loan, and Phil actually closed it for me. It took 90 days to bring it in and carve it up and make it happen. And Phil was extremely instrumental in that deal. It was my first one. And that deal, it came to me in the third month. Both were superb. I don't know how Phil did it. He was my mentor after training, and I thought that was a lot of just lip service to get me to come to training. But I don't know how he did it. He was 3 hours ahead of me. I must have called him 3 to 4 times a day to ask questions on deals that were coming in and how to work with them. And if he wasn't available by phone, I'd wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning the next day and he'd already answered it. So he was phenomenal. And the lenders are even more incredible. They are extremely pleasant people, professional people, and I continue to learn from the lenders that we use. Well exceeded. My very first company, my first job out of college, I actually bought the company in the IT arena. I took it to 55 people and sold it for several $1,000,000. I make more money now than I did at the height of that business. So way beyond my expectations. I actually work with Phil and some of the graduates using a program I built. It's basically how to turn your banker or the banking community into your sales force. So I have mastered the ability to finesse deals out of the bank, which, by the way, they're throwing out anyway. I would say clear your decks, clear your mind, look for this to be something completely new. It's a fantastic opportunity from the perspective that the market just continues to grow every year, because as we all know, banks don't lend. So it opens more and more doors every year. As the tighter regulations get on the banks, we can do more and more. And of course, if you want to call me to master the banking situation, I can help you out there as well. But be prepared to make a lot of money and work hard. This isn't magic. This is hard work. I make more money today than I did when I had 55 employees at the height of the dot-com market. So I would say the impact financially has been incredible, which has also allowed me to accomplish many, many other things in my life, including a daughter who's on her way to college now and aging parents. And so I've been able to secure a lot of things that 6 years ago weren't so clear to me, but today are enjoyable and planned events. And financially, I'm secure.